how to borrow money on Cash App. If you want to borrow your money from Cash App, basically all you have to do is simply open up Cash App. Make sure that you download and then log into your Cash App account. Once you open the Cash App, you want to come to your home icon that looks like this from the bottom left. And once you do that, you'll find an option that says borrow. Now, borrowing option might not be available for all of Cash App users. Some people might have it, some people might not have it. If you're eligible, then you'll find the borrow option. Enter the amount that you're available to borrow, and once done, you'll be able to simply click on the get started button there. And once you click on the get started option, enter the amount, tap on next. You'll see all the borrow details. You'll see the fiat interest that you'll be able to find, and you can tap the next option to borrow the money. And this way you'll be able to borrow money from Cash App. I hope that this video helped you, and if you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.